Pomembno je predvsem to, da je videti kot pravi klasični Volkswagen, ne kot današnji ITE.
So we brought buttons back on the steering wheel, and that created such an unbelievable response everywhere, no? In the media, from customers, and it's like, wow, cool, well done, thank you. So, okay, let's work further. Let's look at what are the items. So we're completely reworking now the user experience. Which buttons? Do you need buttons? For which function? So where should it be? And give it a true DNA of Volkswagen so that you're not having to think, where is it? It's intuitively, you touch it, you know where it is. So that has been reworked as well. It will come with this vehicle also.
I saw the retro elements in the...
It's cool, right?
Yeah. So we can expect this in the serial production?
Yes. No, we love it because you have such a past. Why don't connect to it?